figured it's been a while since we've been on a drive in this thing. You guys hadn't really seen it much with the top off, so I got to turn it around and back it in the driveway anyway, so let's take it around the block. That's been sitting for a couple hours to see if it'll even start without much effort. Alright. Pretty sure I've got a vacuum leak. Under the hood I can hear it hissing now, which wasn't there before. Ooh, that's hot. Alright. I feel bad because this thing's been sitting in the driveway, like I said, for over a month now. Probably more like 6 or 7 weeks. It's just been raining every week. And you know, like most people, I work full time, so while I'm fortunate and grateful to be employed, when so many aren't right now, it does mean that if it's not nice on the weekends, Jeep doesn't get touched. And it hasn't been nice on the weekend in a very long time. But I'm very happy Memorial Day. It's supposed to be nice all the way through Thursday here, so I'll get you guys situated a little better there. This is probably going to fall down. Just, you know the drill, you've been here. So the last trip I took earlier today, it was spitting and sputtering really bad. I noticed the fuel filter's not filling with fuel, and I was going about 45, so I have a feeling it's starving for gas. And I noticed my fuel line, the metal line, that goes from the fuel pump over to the fuel filter, has actually got a little kink in it. And it changes. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's not. But I wonder if maybe that's finally becoming a problem. But it seems to do okay. Low speed, low speed in this thing is 25 miles an hour. High speed is only about 45. I also noticed if it sits for a long time, the transmission does not shift well until it warms up and moves some fluid around, which I guess is to be expected. But, I can't wait to get the hard top back on it, and then it doesn't matter if it's raining or what's going on. I can hop in it, take it for a little drive, try to drive it once a week. Even if it's only like this, 2 or 3 miles around the block a few times. That's way better than letting it sit in the driveway and fill up with water and rust away. Now, these things weren't ever great about sitting anyway, right? I mean, even when they were new. And this thing is 50 years old now. So we'll just zip it around here. Knock that over. Don't fall over. Keep going uphill. That's trying to fall over. Don't fall over. Thing I have noticed too is the upspan. While the auto cancel cam in the steering column is there, it doesn't auto cancel very well. So I've definitely been driving along with my blinkers on, not knowing it. A lot of traffic on this road today. That's the great thing about living in a small town, is you see people you know a lot. I guess if you like bumping into people you know, that is. Maybe it's a negative if you don't. doesn't really do anything. Oh, what a nugget. All right. But, you know, needs to be driven. Maybe I can upload this video while the top's being worked on. I don't know. This will probably come out before that does. That's been a month and a half long progress at this point, or project, I guess, with progress. There's people right there. You don't want to splash in that puddle, but that'd be good. There's third gear. And the temperatures. That's getting hot. Alright. We're home anyway. Alright, well, we're gonna try to sneak up this road without knocking the camera over again. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the little drive here. Trying to get some content out while I'm working on other things, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Get in my driveway again. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm backing in. That's right. I'm an idiot.